Of recent, I went to a Twitter thread that took me through the realms of Kolobox and saving box testimonies and whatnot. I would say I got inspired and inspired me to get my own saving box. This is it right here, and it changed my life significantly. Apart from all the advantages of saving money, having things for emergencies, minimizing stress and risks, having something to fall back on for bulk purchases and investments, saving actually gives happiness. A recent study by Northwestern Mutual Insurance Fund linked a connection with people who save and happiness. But you might be saying, why should we save when we are all going to die? And why especially should we save in a saving box? Hello, people do things for different reasons. There are several reasons why a Kolobox or a saving box is a very good way of saving money, and you can also get yours by clicking the link in the description. Something that is peculiar to a Kolobox is the challenge and routine it creates upstairs. Since I bought my Kolobox, I dedicated to paying 1,000 naira at least every day. Sometimes I pay 1,500 in case of days like Sunday and Monday, which I don't go outside. And I wouldn't say I've been keeping up to that promise. I also can't say that I'm slacking. But you apply 1,000 naira for a month, that's 30,000 naira. And if you're going to do this for a year, that's 365,000 naira saved in a Kolobox. The woman even saved 1.3 million over 2 years using 2 Kolobox. And routines and challenges create pathways in the brain and reward system that are very nice for general living. And you might ask again, what's the need of saving if you are going to die? If you do not save, you're still going to die, my brother. So it's better you die a saving man. And another reason why I love the Kolo saving box especially is the work it gives to hunger dollars. Let me explain. It's normal principle to take money as your soldier, or to take each 1 naira or each 10,000 naira as 10,000 soldiers. Yeah, so if you're part of this channel, us rich men, we call them the Omena 100K. You understand? So you only have 100Ks or 1,000K at the last. And the little change like 50 naira, 200 naira, 300 naira are nonsense, insignificant. You end up spending that either way. But now, you have somewhere to put in those 50 naira and 300 naira, and you take advantage of the power of repetitive events, etc. All this change should have been spent buying irrelevant things or things that are going to make you fat in the long run. Ching, etc. You see things passing, you have no intent to buy it whatsoever, or because you have 100 naira or 50 naira in your pocket. Oh yeah, chin, Bia, I want to eat chin. It's not supposed to be like that. Even going through your day, since I bought my Kolobox, I've been dropping the 50, 20, 30, 100 naira, even 5 naira. I will not lie to you. Even 5 naira that I get, I save them for when I come back so I can put it in. 1 naira removed from 1,000 naira is something. You find out that the 100 naira that you spend after a long run is 3,000 naira. And all these soldiers, like I said, 3,000 soldiers, can be used to fight other battles like your sub. My sub is actually 3,500 naira every month. Because I have this YouTube channel and all that. It finishes as much as it can say, pissy. If I save 150 over the course of 30 days, that's over 3,500 naira. It can be used to buy data subscription, etc. This kind of mentality that saving brings to fore. And in case you don't know, sapa means spent or penny available. I think I had another kind of Porsche translation, sapa, and if you have a meaning that you know about sapa, this is not the one I knew initially, please comment in the comment section because I want to hear about it. And do you know how sapa came to fore? I'll be linking a link to a blog in my description which showed how sapa came to fore, and that link is by Piggyvest, and Piggyvest happens to be a wonderful replacement to my saving box. So this is my saving box. I bought it for roughly around 1,000 naira. And I've been keeping it very, very safe. And I hope nobody knows about it in my house. It does actually cause of the cons of having a saving box or Kolobox at your house. A lady on Instagram actually was crying that her brother has made away with 50k or something thereabouts in her saving box. That's where Piggyvest comes in, and Piggyvest is more powerful because it even pays you interest as you save. These savings are automatically made. Most times I sleep and I do not remember putting in, but I wake up the next day to put the money inside. Hi guys, this is me. I just took my bath now, and this is my box. Not everybody knows that I have this in my house, and I'm doing this. I just remembered now, I'm about to leave for work, but I remembered my box and decided to put something inside it because it's a routine. My brain actually rewards me whenever I put money inside it. And the way I've been seeing my saving box, looking at my saving box, I think the heft is not as it used to be. But I won't say anything because I've not catch anybody. Actually known by the pattern of how I put my last money. If someone has taken it, you know, you can put asses inside and now, boom, it will come out. Those of you that are very proficient in thieving from people's saving box will know more about it. This isn't the first time I got a saving box and it was broken. My brother made away with the money. I've tried Piggyvest and the app is wonderful. But one of the reasons why I wanted to use a saving box for this is because I had the Twitter trend. And by the way, Piggyvest actually came from a Twitter thread. When I get my money, most of it do not go through bank. Taking my money from my hand to a bank, and then from my bank to Piggyvest, it's gonna be a whole lot of process, and bank charges will just kill everything. If you're someone who gets money physically, maybe people give you money, or you work and you get the money physically, then I think putting it in, getting the saving box is a more direct means if you're going to look over the security part of it. And also, for the little change I told you, my little armies, these are changes like 100 naira, 200 naira, 300 naira. They cannot actually be sent to my bank account immediately. They are with me presently. So I need to have an avenue of saving them immediately, or I'll spend them. But I also do not recommend saving money long term in a saving box. You are losing it, baby, because Nigerian inflation is 15%. 15%, which means if you saved 1 million over the course of 2 years, you've actually lost 30% of that money. Who told you it's 15%? This was the forensics of last 2 years or last year thereabout. It can be up to 18 or 20% as it stands now. Hello. So I'm actually intending to break this box January, and I'll be making a video about it. So remember to like and subscribe, and tell me, what do you prefer? Is it a saving box or a Piggyvest? And if you want me to make in-depth review on them, I will. I also plan to go to Port Harcourt, because I've been meaning to go to Port Harcourt, and I've been thinking, how will my saving box be at home in Aba, and I'll be in Port Harcourt? But anyways, I have a YouTube channel that's talking about my vlogs and my daily life, and if you want to get in touch with me, I think you should go subscribe to that YouTube channel immediately.